In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we are going to answer this one question on the topic chemical combination. So guys, basically this video is about elements, compounds and mixtures. So we just have one question to answer here, and the question here says, guys, which of the following pairs cannot be represented with a chemical formula? A. Copper and sodium chloride. B. Bronze and sodium chloride. C. Air and bronze. D. Caustic soda and washing soda. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, air and bronze. It's option C because what we have here in option C are all mixtures. So air is a mixture and bronze is a mixture. So guys, you already know that mixtures cannot be represented with a chemical formula. We can only represent elements and compounds with chemical formula and not mixtures. So guys, air is a mixture, bronze, brass and the rest of them are mixtures and cannot be represented with a chemical formula. So guys, that's the answer to this question. So here we'll end this video here, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership because it will help you a lot in your preparation for your JAMB. This is where we'll give you premium updates on things relating to JAMB you should know. So guys, don't fail to join this our channel community because it's very important for you guys. See you in the next video and thank you for watching this video.